So our multiplication part is finished. Now division. So properties of division. The properties of division. Number one property: when a number divided by 1, the question is the number itself. Number one, if any number divided by 1, the answer will be number itself. Suppose 50 divided by 1 equal to 50, 60 divided by 1 equal to 60, 70 divided by 1 equal to 70. Next, number 2, if a number except 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Number 2, if a number not equal to 0 is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. See, for 50 divided by 50 equal to 1, 60 divided by 60 equal to 1, 70 divided by 70 equal to 1. So our third property, number third, when 0 divided by any number, the quotient will be 0. 0 is divided by any number, the quotient will be 0. So 70 divided by, not 70 divided by 70, 0 divided by 70 equal to 0. 0 divided by 100 equal to 0, 0 divided by 40 equal to 0. Number 4 property, division by 0 is not possible. Division by 0 is not possible. So 40 divided by 0, not possible. 70 divided by 0, not possible. Not possible. Next, division algorithm. Division algorithm. Division algorithm means if any number divided by, so this is called dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder, and the form is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. this is the form of division. Next, division by 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Division by 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh. For suppose any number 7, 4, 5, 6 divided by 1000, then the quotient will be a 7 and remainder will be the next digit, because here 3 0, that's why first 3 digits will be the remainder. Next, if you see 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2 divided by 1000, then here 3 digits, here 3 digits, the quotient will be the rest of all 7, 4, 5 and remainder is the 6, 1. Then you see number 3, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5 divided by 10,000. Here 4 digits, here put 4 digits. So quotient will be the rest of all 7, R is 1, 2, 4, 5. Number 4, if you 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 1, 6, 7 divided by 1 lakh. Then put 5 zeros here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So quotient will be the 4, 1 and remainder is the 3, 2, 3, 1, 6, 7. Next start activity 4. Activity 4, harus kasih fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. A 1, 2, 5, 4, 7 divided by 1 equal to B 8, 7, 4, 5, 0 divided by 8, 7, 4, 5, 0 equal to dash. Number 3 is 0 divided by 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 equal to dash divided by 35 equal to 0. So as per the properties of division, if any number divided by 1, then the answer will be the number itself. So 1, 2, 5, 4, 7. And if number divided by that number itself, then the answer will be the equation will be the 1. So if 0, 0. So 0. Number 2, find the number which is divided by 35 gives the quotient 22 and remainder 40. Find the number which is divided by 35. So any number, suppose here any number divided by 35 and quotient is 22 and remainder is 40. So what is the number? So we know divided equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Remainder, sorry, this is what is here. Divisor is 35, quotient is 22 plus remainder is 40. Answer is 35 plus 22. 25, 10, 1, 1, 6, 6, 7, 7, 0, 7, 7, 7, 0, 7, 7, 0 plus 14 equal to 780. 84. Answer is 84. So question is asking, so find the number. So number is